Hey, boys and gals! Do you want to learn the coolest school hacks? Keep watching and impress your classmates! Oh no! James's pencil broke! Whatever! Yes! Can I borrow this? Okay. Good as new. Can I get it back?
What? Oh!
Huh?
Okay, then. What?
Sweet revenge.
Here are your answers.
Yes!
Not so good, James.
F.
Oh, no.
Your mom won't be happy either, huh?
Oh, no. What do I do now?
Huh?
Ah, my life is ruined.
No, it's not. 1 second. Just add a bit of hot glue on a stick and voila! That's your new grade. Here,
No.
look!
Huh? Thanks, man. Brilliant.
It's test day. And our teacher Brandon is ready to relax in the meantime. Or is he?
I don't know any of this. Hey! Darn it.
What if…
Hey, no cheating. I'm watching you. I know. What if I just took a little piece of paper?
Oh, clever student! Hiding cheat notes under the ring.
Huh? I know this one. Okay.
I can't read anything.
What is this? Pathetic. All the cheat notes, please. Now. Here.
Oh, boys, so much effort to hide them.
And what is that?
Wow!
Fools. Aha! What if I did this?
Brandon didn't take everything away after all. Whoa!
Can I borrow this? Hey! No! Yes, sir? Nothing.
Ooh. Lunchtime! So many sweets! Can I try this?
Of course. Hey!
What? It's Lucy again! Better run before she steals it. 1 second!
I need to hide those snacks from her!
Hiding M&Ms in a cucumber? Genius!
Hi!
Hey, James!
Want some?
Nah.
Okay, then.
Oh, yes!
Hey, that's my cucumber! Only one piece left.
Silly kid.
Weird. I'm so hungry. just gonna quickly open these chips. Hey! No food or drink! Okay, okay. They have a few hidden ones, though. Really?
Doesn't matter where Will hides his snacks. Brandon finds them.
I'm so hungry!
Ah!
Pass them to me! What if we put them here?
Nice!
Push the table! Everything okay, boys? Very well.
Sneaky!
So kids, as I was saying…
Oh no! Will is falling asleep!
Hey! Eyes on the board! Ah! Whew. According to this theory…
I have an idea. Cropping your picture? What for? Oh, Will is putting it into his glasses. Now I can sleep in peace. Brandon, you've got something on your face. Will, look! Hello?
Smart move, but I got another idea.
Mustache suits you.
The test is tomorrow, kids.
No way.
I'm so tired of studying.
Unless… And what are those savings for? A pen? Just wait. Oh, it's a secret pen.
Here you go, solve this. Oh, I'll do it. Hey, what is that?
Oh no.
Silly technology.
Nice save!
Hey Kaboomers! Wasn't that a lot of fun? What do you think about our video? If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaboom for more amazing stories like these. Stay tuned and see you soon!